I just told you that you can use this symbol to point you in the correct direction. But I also said it does not work every single time, that there's a certain time that it is not going to work. This is that time. This inequality is written backwards. If you look at the previous example, y was on the left, 8 was on the right. You look at the example before that, x was on the left, -2 was on the right. And in those examples, this arrowhead, this symbol in the middle, points us in the direction it's supposed to go. This one points right, we went right. This one points left, we went left. But in this one, it's not written correctly. If I'm going to use the symbol in the middle to graph this, I have to recognize that everything is backwards. So here's what I do. First of all, this is underlined. Please make a circle above -10 and fill it in because it is underlined. Now, if I want to use the symbol in the middle, I have two options. I can say it's pointing to the right, but it's backwards, so let's go the other way. I want to go left. Or what some people do is they rewrite the whole thing. We do what's called a mirror image of this. If this line represented a mirror, G would end up being the first thing I see. The symbol would actually turn around, and -10 would be the last thing that I see. So when you do this, the mirror image flips this whole thing around. You're going to take your inequality and just flip it around. The only thing you need to be careful with is when you do this, the symbol does flip around. But now that I have it written correctly, it does point to the left, which is where I want to be going with this.